In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of apps not downloading on your iPhone. If you are having trouble downloading apps from the App Store, there are a few simple steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve it. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on your Apple ID at the very top of the Settings menu. After that, scroll down to the bottom. Now you'll see a Sign Out button. Just tap on it. Then, enter your Apple ID password. Tap Turn Off, and then tap Sign Out. Once you've signed out of your Apple ID, you need to sign in again. After that, go back to the main settings page, scroll down a bit, and tap Screen Time. Scroll down again, and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap Allowed Apps. Enter the screen time passcode if you have one. What you want to do next is make sure all apps are allowed. To enable an app, simply toggle on the switch next to it. Then go back and tap where it says Content Restrictions. And then tap Apps. Tap and select the 17+ option. This process can sometimes help refresh your connection to the App Store and allow you to download apps successfully. If that did not solve the problem, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down until you see an option called App Store. Tap on it. Then scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Cellular Data, and in that section, you'll see an option called App Downloads. Tap on it. Then set this to Always Allow. If that doesn't work, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Then enable the airplane mode, wait a couple of seconds, disable the airplane mode, and reconnect to a Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Also, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular signal. You can also try restarting your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can be a simple yet effective solution to fix this issue. By restarting the device, you essentially refresh its system settings and clear out any temporary data or cache that may be hindering the download process. This action helps in resolving minor software glitches or network connectivity issues that could be preventing apps from downloading properly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.